It's time to make meatballs, everybody. I start out with a pound of chuck, pound of sirloin, boom. 3 eggs. Okay. I already have my onions chopped. It's about quarter, half cup. Throw those in there. Okay. Chopped garlic with olive oil. Just like that. That's plenty. Nice, you know, quarter cup of that. Okay. Get some grated cheese here. Should have opened this earlier. Some Romano. Just like that. Breadcrumbs. I like the seasoned ones, Italian ones. Those babies in there. Okay. Basil. I use a little salt, seasoned salt. Just like that. A little onion salt. Garlic salt. Garlic powder, not salt, sorry, powder. And then, of course, some oregano. Then, of course, some sage. This is all the way I do it. And it comes out beautiful all the time. Black pepper. Then, I always like to do this. Open a can of like just plain tomato sauce. And I put some in there so they're not so hard, you know, like you're eating a golf ball. Just a little bit like that. There you go. The rest you can throw right in your gravy. And then you do this. Maybe you can pause it, Bob, for a minute.
Yeah.
Just hit pause again.
All right, we're back at it.
All right, now we're back, and this is what you got now. After you kneaded it all together, isn't that a beautiful thing? I like to use a nice ice cream scooper so you get some consistency on your meatballs per size-wise, like that. And then I plop them right in. My gravy's done due to the restraints of time here.
You mean you don't fry them?
You can. My ma used to fry them. And you can, and they're good fried. They're awesome fried, don't get me wrong. But this saves a lot of time, and they come out just as good. And they cook, the meat cooks beautiful. You get your gravy going nice and hot. You put these babies in, whoop, like that. Come on over here, Bob. Bring the camera around. Let's show how we do this. See what I'm doing here? See how beautiful that is? I wish you could smell this. Oh, right, Bob? Is it awesome?
Awesome smelling.
And then you just, that's it.
Oh, just gets sucked right in there.